Hydration, essential for good skin. Guys, I just want to let you know about something that has come to my attention and I just want to address it. I got an email from beware.com, and they are these kind of people that just look out for you and tell you what's going on behind your back that you don't know. So basically I found out that a number of you aren't subscribed. Please do. They've told me that if you don't subscribe, I will not be as happy as I could be if you subscribe. So just do it. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ade Nix on the beat. So today we're actually doing a very nice, beautiful first date look. I have prepped my skin. As you can see, we're already glowing because of the shea butter. Because I've already done so many foundation routines, I don't want to bore you guys. So what we're going to do is I'm going to snap my finger right now, turn off the camera and come back after I've done my foundation. It's time for us to delve into the makeup patient. I've switched up my eyebrow routine. And why did I do that? Because everybody lives to learn, right? I get a nice angled brush like so. I get me a nice hand mirror. My favorite mirror of all time, my Zaron Face Definer mirror. What I do is just follow my natural line by brushing the black eyeliner into my eye. Into my eyebrow. I just realized what I said. Can you see? Oh my days. Ever since I figured out this technique, I've been rolling with it. Now that we're done with the base of the eyebrow, it's time for us to conceal it. And concealing it is pretty easy. I don't use as much concealer as I would in the past. Whoa, my stomach is huge, y'all. Huge. Y'all are probably like, we're not coming here to hear about your stomach, mates. It's fine. I'm just trying to share. If I cannot share that, how would I be able to share with you that I'm now on 30,000 subscribers? Thank you, Jesus. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. So I use barely nothing concealer. The older you get in the makeup game, then realize that you don't need that much concealer for your brows. Just get it right the first time and just clean up your mistakes after. Just use my hand to blend it in. And that's it. Voila. Like such a nice looking brow, if I do say so myself. Now it's time for the eyeliner. The best part of doing makeup is the eyes. Skin, big. Lips, what's that? Nose, really? Eyes, yeah. To bless the eyes, the LA Girl Pro Conceal is gonna come in the shade Light Ivory. I'll be applying this with my finger for a more softer look. That's bad English. That's bad English. I'll be applying this to my eye for a softer look. Damn, all the school you get really for a more soft. I noticed that using my finger to blend the eyeshadow base is so much better than using a brush, because the brush just pounds like bow, bow, bow on the eye. You're like, ow, and I have sensitive eyes, so as you can see, this color is warmed in very well with my hand, and that's what I want. Yay! For the eyelidation, application, malafation. If you're looking for a color for your dark skin, just to have something to stand out on you, orange. Orange is our friend. Orange is our friend. Orange fits us. Orange looks better on us. I don't know who we're comparing it to, but orange looks better on us. I'm choosing this orange right here, and I'm just going to go with my finger and apply that on the center of my lid. Just a bit, nothing too much. We just want the aura of orange. We don't want the whole eye to be orangified. So this would mesmerize whoever you're looking at. Perfect. I'll be taking this brown shade right here to just blend out the edges of the orange that I applied. Just like this, go over it, tone down that white base. But this deep golden orangey looking ass eyeshadow, I'll be applying that just on the center of my eyelid, right here, to make that, you know, the orange that we added before glow really well. This is the part of the makeup that is essential. You need eyeliner. Lot 77 black gel liner. And the eyeliner should be a little bit thicker than your usual thin liner. Using the black eyeshadow from this palette to set the eyeliner that I applied on my eyelid. This gives it a more smoky look, a deeper look. It makes it look better, to be honest. Just smoke it out a bit, just a bit, so that it gives it a smoky look when you wear your eyelashes. Eyelashes that I've always wanted to tell you guys about. It's the Kudi Cosmetics eyelashes. I know you all are probably like, whoa, isn't that Huda Beauty's design? Yes, I just believe that most of their employees or the people in charge are old, so they didn't know that Huda Beauty had already done this. The person just came and slapped their face and took money from them. But they said they are working on changing the design. Those are the eyelashes, gorgeous and minkish. Look at these lashes, you guys. You guys are probably like, Nika, why are you so high? They're just lashes and they just look cute on you, and that's just because you are naturally cute. Like, thanks for the kind words. The reason why I'm actually hyped about these eyelashes is because they only cost 1,500. 1,500. All those minky lashes that we've been buying, that will be costing us 3K, 5K, when you can get this and just get it for just 1,500. It's a lie. It's a real lie. I'm not buying your 3K. I've used them more than 5 times and we're still here. It's a good one. It's a good one. For the bottom eyes, we're going to focus just at the end of our eyes to add more flare to the eyes. Yep, that's it. Just focus that at the end. So just barely anything, nothing too obvious, but it just adds intensity to the eyes. I'm using the Candid Glow highlighter by Yanga Beauty in the shade Yowa. Apply this to the highest point. Since we're going for a really simple look, we don't really need the intensity of a highlight, but we still want to glow. Like, damn. Boring. Unboring. So for my nose, I said nose, really? So for my nose highlight, I usually just focus on this point here and this point here, and it works perfectly fine for me. Don't worry, I can see that the contour of my nose is too harsh, so I'm gonna fix that. Don't worry, don't be afraid. So for my forehead highlight, I no longer highlight the center of my face, rather I highlight these areas here. Can you see where the light is hitting right here? And it still highlights the center of the face, like physics. You know physics now, because there's light here, there's light here. The center still, can you see, like, it still gets highlighted. Maybe not as highlighted as it would be if you put the highlighter in the center, but there's still a bit of highlight, still a bit. So it's time for the blushation. And to blush our face, I'm using my regular eyeshadow blush, which is color Jezebel right here from my Juvia's Nubian 2 palette. Focusing most of the color on the apples of my cheek, I'm blurring everything out to the end. Yes. For today's lipstick, we'll be going red. Actually, I got this red lipstick from Zara Cosmetics and I would really like to try it out. But first of all, I'll be using black eyeliner to line my lips. I'm using the Zara Matte Lip Stain in the shade Eve to apply gradation to my lipation. I love how matte it is. I love that it's not, you know, like cracking on my lips. So let's get into the hair, okay? So this hair I got from Val Best. I got 16 inches Peruvian 4 bundles and a 16 inches closure. I'm just into short hair right now. I just want to get used to wearing weaves. I'm not a girly girl, if y'all don't know. I love doing makeup, but I'm not the, oh, let me do my hair, let me curl it. Quite frankly, I hate curling my hair. It wastes time and it's just long, and then most of the curls never stay. So what's the point? I curled the hair, but the closure didn't curl really well, so that's why I'm actually choosing to do this slick back hairstyle, and I think that it's work for what I want to do. Water and leave-in conditioner just to soften the hair for the slickation. So I'm going in with this dense brush. I'll be using that to brush the hair down. Here. So after packing the hair, you'd want to pull it aside to tighten the hair. Using the leave-in conditioner just makes everything amazing. I would say that I should curl this hair, but I want to snip this hair. Okay, to finish everything off, I'll be using my olive oil nourishing sheen spray. This is what they'll use in every salon in this country. I'm just using this to glorify the hair. Make it shine, baby. Make it shine, baby. That is the finished look. What do you guys think? Do you think it's something that's easy to do, and it's perfect for a first date? Like, this is the kind of look that you can wear to a first date and you won't think that you're overdoing it. You'll just be like, oh, she's just so naturally pretty. Anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the loves with your friends, your families, your enemies, and everybody in this world. Adios, amigos. Catch you later. Peace.